You love all those train stories?
We take a movie.
What was your favorite part of the trip?
The whole trip.
The whole thing, really?
Yeah.
What about you, Julian? What was your favorite part?
We take a movie. Oh, that train is moving.
What was your favorite part?
Mama, that train is moving.
Oh, is it? The green one?
Yeah, it is. Freight train. I think. Yeah, that's a freight train, Jules. Yeah, that's the freight train. Never seen another thing. Let me see another train. I don't see any trains here. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna see one. Moving or not. There's a bridge!
Yeah.
There's a bridge! There's no bridges. There's bridges. I think that's a trestle bridge.
Ooh, yeah, look at that one.
That's a bridge, Charlie. Those bridges are actually really old. No, they're not. They're actually old, but I'm pretty sure they
Julian,
still
get your
use
hand
them.
off that right now.
What?
Remember the alarm?
What's that bridge? It might even be going off right now.
The alarm?
Yeah. Go to